Good morning children, welcome back to Google class. Today we will study chapter 26 figures of speech. In this we will see today oxymoron, irony, pun. These three topics we will see today. So let us first see oxymoron. Oxymoron is a special form whereby two contradictory qualities are predicted at once of the same thing. For example, the coolest, hottest mission to the sun. The coolest, hottest mission to the sun. Here two contradictories are used, coolest and hottest for the sun. Next example is, she accepted it as the kind cruelty of the surgeon's knife. So two contradictory, kind, cruelty. Both are contradictory to each other. Kindness and cruelty cannot go together. But here they are used. It means that someone is responsible for his own sorrow and his weakness or her weakness. That is the meaning. Now let us see irony. Irony is a mode of speech in which the real meaning is exactly the opposite of that which is literally conveyed. For example, wow, you are sure, look very well dressed. The meaning is just the opposite. Oh, what a clean room. It means the meaning is just the opposite of it, as it is written here. Irony is a mode of speech in which the real meaning is exactly the opposite of that. So what is said is not the meaning. Now let us see pun. A pun consists in the use of word in such a way that is acceptable or capable of more than one application, the object being to produce a humorous effect. Once more, a pun consists in the use of a word in such a way that is capable of more than one application, the object being to produce humorous effect. For example, why is a river so rich? Because it has two banks. Geometry is so pointless. So these two examples are enough for you, I think. So once more you go through this chapter and have a revision of it. Thank you.